Welcome. Today we'll see how to build the mask, how to extract a particular area of study from a image frame. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. I have already created the mosaic. Mosaicing is the connection of two images with georeference. We will first create the vector layer that we want to fetch a particular area from a big shape file, or you want to create a shapefile for the specific location. In this case, I have the Maharashtra shapefile and I have to fetch the shapefile or create the shapefile for the Aurangabad. So first I will select the Maharashtra layer or Maharashtra shapefile, load selected, then select on the new vector window. So you can see this is the Maharashtra shapefile district wise. You can click on the edit. You can view the attributes of this database. There are different fields. District names are there. District name 1. So you can select any attribute from this to write down the query to select a particular area. I will write down the query, edit, query attribute. Now here we have to start. Select the particular column, district name. You have the different operators, select equal to, and you can select the particular district name that is mentioned in the column entries. You can use and or operators, and you can write down the query expression. Now you have to give the output file name for the shape file. Select a particular location where you want to save the output shape file. Most of the time when you select the one image frame, your area of interest could not lie inside one frame itself. Then you have to do the mosaicing. So we are giving the output file name Aurangabad shape file. Aurangabad shape file you can give. And click on the open. Okay, click on the OK. So now the query gets executed and you can see the red indicates the output of the query. Now we can export this area either to the shapefile, or we can export it to the ROI, or you can export it for the both. New ROI. Select the input file associated with this, that is our original input file name Mosaic Aurangabad. And then OK. Convert all records of an EVA to one ROI, as we are interested in a whole single region. Now we can open the shape file we have created now. It is the subset layer Maharashtra district project shown in the right side window. If you are not getting, you can close all the windows and they can again load it from the specified location. Okay, subset layer. Here is the name specified, load selected. Select the new vector window, so it will display the extracted area of interest, or it is the vector file, shape file. Now go into basic tools, masking, build mask, select no display. Now here you can see the sample and lines are empty, so you can go in the options and you can select the subset layer that we have created just now. or you can go into the file and export the shape file, or you can export the ROM whatever you have saved, and you have to give the output file name. Basically, in building the mask, you have to select the vector file, or you have to load the vector file just that you have fetched. Masking, build mask, display one. If you click on the display one, it will automatically select the sample points for the vector that is already open behind the window. In the first case, we are selecting no display, so it is not fetching the sample points and lines. Now you can see a sample and lines. Now you import the ROI. Click on the import ROI. It will import the ROIs to build the mask. Now here the select areas should be on, and the select attributes for the logical OR should be selected. So here we are selecting or importing the ROI. So the first file you need to select that is indicating the white color, that is the behind black and area behind this window. So you can now click on the OK. The ROI gets imported, and then you can click on apply. So this is the building mask. So the particular area gets fetched out of the big image. When you apply this mask on the input image, it will extract only those portions. Now the mask is generated. You can see here the mask band. You can load this mask band to the new display. The mask is built now. In the next video, we'll see how to apply the mask. Thank you.